This video will guide you on how to install Stable Diffusion webui Automatic 1111 on Windows. Before installation, the following is required. Step 1. Confirm your computer's configuration. First, open the computer settings. Go to System, then About, and you can see your system type. The system used in the next operation is 64-bit Windows operating system. Step 2. Install Git and Conda. Let me show you how to download Git. First, choose your operating system on Git's official website. Then, click the download link to download the Git installer to your computer. Finally, open the downloaded installer and follow the prompts to install it. After the installation completes, we click Finish. Next, I will show you how to download Conda. On Conda's official website, we first click the download link. Open the downloaded installer after the download is complete. Then, follow the prompts to install it. Click I agree, select Install for Just Me, and then click Next. Choose Install Location and Advanced Installation options. Click Finish after selection. Now you can see you have successfully installed Conda. Step 3. Download Stable Diffusion repository. Run the following command to download the Stable Diffusion webui repository as a zip file, and then extract or use Git to clone. You can get the following result. Step 4. Download Stable Diffusion models. Go to Stable Diffusion Art, click Quick Start and select Models. Select a model you like and click Download link to download this model. After the download finishes, click Open File, and then drag this downloaded package to the desktop. Put the downloaded file to the following path. Step 5. Create a Python 3.10.11 environment. First, open Anaconda Navigator. Click Environments and then click Create to create a Stable Diffusion environment. Then, input new environment name. Select Python and 3.10.11 in the Create New Environment window. Click Create. After finishing creation, click button and select Open Terminal to open Stable Diffusion environment terminal. Step 6. Start webui server. Open the Stable Diffusion environment terminal you created and run the following command. Here you can see there's a local URL. Copy and paste it to your browser to open the local Stable Diffusion URL. In the field for entering your prompt, type a description of the image you want to generate. Then, click the Generate button. GPU Mart offers professional GPU hosting services that are optimized for high-performance computing projects. Here we recommend this 4-server plan suitable for running Stable Diffusion. Please feel free to start your journey boldly, as we are happy to help with any difficulties.
If you like our video, please give us a like and follow us for more exciting content. Don't forget to leave a comment.